So I said, that's not my car. And that was the last time I saw my dad. Oh my gosh, Jordan, you're so funny. You tell the best stories. So.
Wait. I mean, she doesn't tell the best stories. Like, I have a story that I think Jordan's story is ass.
Oh, okay.
Okay, okay, so you guys know how I drive that Ford Explorer, right?
I love that car.
Okay, it's cute. So on my way here, my Google Maps just like crashes out of nowhere, okay? So I'm driving around and like getting kind of lost, and I end up in this neighborhood that I've never been to before. And then suddenly I'm like, holy shit, I'm exploring in my Explorer. Exploring. And that's why I was late.
Okay, cool. So anyway, Jordan, Dr. Mia,
that wasn't the end of the story. That wasn't the end of the story. I'm exploring my Explorer, and I'm like driving around, like literally driving up and down all these streets. Like I'm driving and driving and driving. All of a sudden, I'm like, wait, I'm literally driving myself crazy. And then it's like starting to get dark, and like I literally only have one headlight that works on my car even. So I was like, oh my god, like it's getting so dark, like I hope I don't hit something or hit on something. Oops, I'm slutty. Oh my god, and then you guys, then literally like it's getting so dark and like the street lights aren't even coming on, which is like weird, right? Like Stranger Things, like season 3. Ooh, I have the chills, you know? And so it's so dark I can't see anything. And then I hit something. Suddenly, literally hit something, you guys. And so I was just like I just felt it, and like instead of like, because it was too dark, I didn't want to like stop and get out, I just kind of like slowly rolled over it. Which is hilarious because people always tell me what? To slow my roll. And then I see in the rearview mirror, I hit a mother deer. Aww, right? And mother deer was with 2 like little babies, and like, oh, I just like saw them through the rear, and I literally heard myself say out loud, oh dear. Without even realizing like the irony of that. So I'm looking at the deer. The little ones are just kind of like looking at me like, what did you do, you know? And then so I'm like, oh god, I feel so bad. It's like they know that I also don't have a mom. It's like this weird connection. So I just like try to like break the tension with some comedy. So I was like, yo mama is dead. And that's when I got out of the car. And I walked around to the back of the vehicle, and I saw the mama deer. She was laying on the ground. She was still alive at this point. Remember? No, you weren't there. I was just looking at her. I was the only one on the road, and she was laying there, and I could hear her breathing, just kind of. I knew she was in pain, and I knew what I had to do, and so I just reached into my car and I grabbed a water bottle, and I came out and I just started beating her over the head. I was just beating her and beating her and beating her, and she fell to the ground, and I knew I could see the exact moment that life just passed from her body. It was terrible, and it was beautiful, and it was so confusing, and those little deer were looking at me, and they knew You know, they do, you know, I don't have a mom either. I grew up without a mom, you know, that's how come I can't love good. And I don't know those little guys to go out into the world like that, and so I looked at him and I knew in that second, like, I said, I'm gonna beat the little one first, because I think the little one can It was like Sophie's choice, but like if Sophie had to beat all their kids to death with a water bottle. I went to the little one and I just started beating him and beating him and beating him and beating him, and he fell to the ground quicker than his mom. And I looked up to the older one who hadn't run away yet for some reason. I just started beating him and beating him and beating him and beating him, and of course he fell to the ground. And then they were all there in this heap on the side of the road. And I looked down and I saw my hands were covered in blood, and I was shaking like a leaf. I just remember thinking, what am I doing? What am I doing? And then I was like, oh my God, I know what I'm doing. I'm beating this story to death. Just like I beat those deer with this water bottle, actually. Hey-o.
We literally just got back from Jordan's aunt's funeral 2 hours ago. Sorry.
I just got it.